And our next guest runs $330 billion, and his pension fund also opposes the pay package. Joining us this morning is CalSTRS Chief Investment Officer Chris Ailman. Chris, great to have you back. Walk us through your decision on this front.
Hey, Carl, we opposed the pay package last time it was put before us. I'm going to do my personal view is it's absurd. I mean, Elon built the company. We were an early round investor. We were a venture investor when this started way back in 2000. I rode through 2 write-downs with him. We hung in there. He went public. He's made a ton of money. It's a car company. We need to have a serious salary. We'll pay him 140 times the average worker pay. How about that deal? I think that's more than fair. This pay package is ridiculous. And I know he's mad. He'll say I'm absurd to say that. I'm sorry, Elon. You know, he wants to go to Mars. Let's let him fly away.
So it sounds like you have a difference of an opinion on what the actual model is all about right now.
I sure do. You know, the bottom line is a car company. Come on, this is not NVIDIA. They don't make AI chips. Even if these cars had AI in them, they are not worth 60 times earnings. That is absurd. And, you know, NVIDIA is only 40 times earnings, which is still crazy. But come on, they're growing. I don't think Tesla's growing that fast.
It was always more than a car company, though. It always got that premium valuation. And Musk has always been sort of aligned. The counter-argument is that he's been aligned with shareholders in that view, and he's so integral to the view as well. I'm not sure retail investors will agree with you.
Oh, I doubt retail will agree with us. But come on. Sarah, these are the big institutional investors. Norway does own more than we do. I mean, they're almost a $2 trillion fund. But these are long-term investors. I love the fact that he owns the company. He's the leader. He is the star. He designed the cars. Wall Street's valuing it for more than a car company, but that's the product they make and sell. And we love them. They're great cars. They set the EV model. But, Sarah, this is a company that has not grown in the last 2 years. Is barely making money per car it sells. He needs to focus in either on cars, either on X, or on going to Mars. And I think his heart really is in going to Mars and getting off the planet.
So, Chris, are you prepared to see him walk?
I would hate to see that. He owns the company. This has got his name all over it. I think it's still his passion. Let the professionals run the company. You know, we've seen him throw temper tantrums before when it came to X, when he was trying to buy Twitter. He's brilliant. I admire him. I've listened to him recently at the Milken conference. Amazing speaker. But let's run this company. It's an auto manufacturer. Let's go back to making cars and doing it well. He can run SpaceX and run his other efforts and see how they do. He's focused on Starlink. He's got 1 million balls in the air. Focus on a few.
Well, I mean, some would argue that this would help his focus on Tesla if he is incentivized by this pay package.
Sarah, if I gave you $68 billion, would you be more focused for us?
Probably, yes.
I think so. You know, he owns the company. I think that's the point is, hey, Warren Buffett, take some advice from Warren Buffett. Make your money in capital gains, not in salary. So let's have a reasonable pay package. This is overinflating CEO pay yet again. His board governance is terrible. He needs more diversity on that board. He needs more outsiders. He had at least Hiro Mizuno from GPIF for a while on his board, but now Hiro's off. You know, as shareholders, like I said, we've been in this company since 2000, so over 24 years. We've been in for the ride. He's made us a ton of money. But he's made a ton of money. Make your money in capital gains by owning the stock.